Here are the 7 essential applications of biophysics. It plays significant role in medical imaging. Biophysics is crucial in developing advanced imaging techniques such as MRI and CT scan for detailed visualization of internal biological structures. It has a significant role in drug designing. Biophysics plays a vital role in understanding the molecular interaction, aiding in the design of pharmaceuticals and optimizing drug target binding. Biophysical techniques helps to unravel the intricacies of neural processes, contributing to a better understanding of brain function and disorder. Biophysics also helps in investigating the folding of protein essential for understanding their structures and function. Biophysics can also be utilized in biomedical engineering. Biophysical principles are applied in the development of medical devices, prosthetics, and artificial organ, enhancing the healthcare technology. It can also be utilized in ion channel research. Biophysics contribute to understanding ion channel function that is crucial for understanding the cellular signaling, nerve impulse, and developing therapies. Biophysics is also utilized in photobiology. Biophysics explore the interaction between light and biological system, essential for applications such as photodynamic therapy and understanding the photosynthesis.